put a title there. And whenever you're ready. Good day. So we're looking at our Neutralization Lab. So we're looking for chemical and physical changes. And we are now going to look at the actual chemicals. So you should have had that page in front of you, and I'm looking at step 1. It says measure 5 mils of sodium hydroxide. So we're going to slug in somewhere around 5 mils. The amount doesn't matter too much. And carefully pour it in. And that should say NaOH. That looks like the right amount. And you'll notice we have a clear, colorless liquid. Now before we add this, we should look at all our different reactants, which of course I forgot. Phenolphthalein, clear, colorless liquid, a few crystals at the bottom. Sodium hydroxide, clear, colorless liquid, looks a lot like water. And hydrochloric acid looks a lot like water as well, clear, colorless liquid. Of course, they have very different properties from that. So now we're still doing step 1, and here several drops of phenolphthalein are going to be added. And we're going to note that color change. And so that gives you some clue about whether that's a chemical or physical change. Next, we're going to add drop-wise hydrochloric acid. And so drops will get added, and they'll be stirred every so often until we get another change. And we're just going to add a few extra to push it all the way. And there's our second change that you should record in your observations. And the last step is now we're going to take that to a hot plate. We're going to put it on the hot part of the element, not in the middle. We put it right on the element, the way she's done it. And we're just going to heat that, and it's going to take a little while until we've driven off all the liquid, and then we're going to see what we get. So this is the part where you have to be patient, and you can test how steady our cinematographer can hold the camera. The rest of us are being rock steady. Is the camera rock steady? A lot of pressure. It appears to be burning already. That's a good sign. So the camera's not moving at all. It's like having a tripod. Let's see if one lab assistant can make the other laugh. Yeah, but they might have a stone face competition. So we have one lab assistant ready with crucible tongs. And as soon as all the liquid's gone, we've got to get it off the hot plate, or the beaker may crack. And once it comes off, then our cinematographer will look directly down at what's left in the beaker. close. We're getting fairly close. Just like waiting for Newcastle to score a goal. Yeah, we just gotta keep going. We're just about there now. It's all liquid pretty well gone. Okay, and now we're just gonna put that on the counter. And then we're gonna get a nice top view looking straight down. And you see there's some white crystals. So that's what you're gonna have to put in for step 3 for your observations. And you've got to classify step 1, 2, and 3 as chemical and physical changes based on your observation.